Right, as you guys can see, got another row, and this is almost the last one. I got one more to put in here. This is way more than I needed to load with the forklift. The forklift is going to use this bay and the one next to this bay. It'll be for pallet use. I am going to cover some of the door, but the doors I think are 16 foot plus another 2. So that's 18 feet of space right now. My forklift really only needs 14, but we're gonna have 15, so a little easier to move around. Starting out pretty cool. Here, the stickers, got them off. That's how it looks. And then we started pulling stickers before we put them on here. So that's why this side only has single. Gotta go pick up another bundle of 100 to wrap this up. But it's turning pretty good. I decided to use OSB instead of lumber. Can't find good prices on lumber, and OSB dropped in price. They're like 12 bucks a sheet, and if you cut them perpendicular to the length, you get 3 pieces, and this is 26 inches, so it's about 24 inches of hanging, which on the roofs 24 on center works. So I feel like it might over time sag a little bit, but I don't think these shelves will ever have anything too heavy. If it does sag after a couple of years, you know, we'll just upgrade to 3/4 or something, or 5/8. But I think 1/2 inch would do it. It's 12 bucks, and then 5/8 is like $17, and 3/4 is a little over 20. I just don't feel like spending that much money on plywood. 48-inch spans or aisles, so you can comfortably walk with your cart. Pretty much wheels, bins. I'm just kind of seeing what to configure and how to do it. And then this one I am not gonna do yet. I do have a leaking roof, but in the meantime it'll just be open for now, and then after we fix that gutter, we'll put the same one between the posts. Pretty good day today. For those of you that was wondering what I'm doing, where I'm at, this is what I'm doing for the past. I got the building 1st of September, and it's already December 16th. So still moving, but this is coming up. So all that plywood, most of my stuff will probably fit. I already started on my long trims and pieces. Let me just give you a quick. So these are all my old tags, and I'm planning on keeping all my old items on this first bay, just so it's easier to spot. And then down the road, if after a couple of years, if it don't sell much off of it, I'll just throw it away. And as you can see, stuff is filling up. This is pretty much all my long trims, just not even two full bays. I'll probably have a little more, so in theory I'll probably fill up 2 bays. I left these empty because the structure, which I don't think if you guys can see it, it's probably a little dark, but that beam, it sticks out about 16 inches. So I left these for longer skirts and trims and just random long stuff. So pretty much these 2 bays, like stuff like this, that sticks out way past. So it'll work out. So looking pretty good. Got all the stickers off this side. Man, it's a pain, but I can't stand that. So all of that will be covered with parts so you can't ever see it, but the front, they just had to be cleaned. So all right, that'll do it for this day. Today's Friday, probably gonna do some more tomorrow. Was hoping to go do some fun things, but the weather's super cold, so stick around here and let's see how this turns out. See, I already started picking through it. The piles are becoming smaller and smaller. Eventually all of this is going to be on the shelves. I'm hoping if I get those shelves, this chopped up, picked up 3 more loads for 3 more bundles, become a half inch 56 sheets in there. I think I need three more. Beams come Monday. Stickers are about done on this one, so that one's done, and then this one. Lots of work, but the reason I'm doing this, as soon as we open our doors, I don't want to do this again. So I'm just filling up the shop pretty much to the brim. Every little spot I got. I'm leaving all this for freights, outgoing mail and carts, so I want some space here. Plus up here there'll be some kind of deck with stairs or elevator. We'll figure that out. Still gotta build stairs for that one, for the loft, which that thing's amazing. I mean, I'm so happy I've done it. Yep, it's a little more money up front, but it works out. All these lights are gonna go out. We're gonna have LED strip lights in every single aisle. I already got those ordered. Be fun project, but the lights are probably going to be delayed. I need to get that on the shelf and start porting stuff out because our sales are dipping and I need money. Like most of us, we just need money. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.